Everyone, today I'm going to show you how Pimsleur works and help you decide if it's worth using for French. So Pimsleur is a classic language program made by Dr. Paul Pimsleur. It's mainly a 30-minute audio lessons. Each lesson puts you in a simple speaking situation like introductions, directions, and everyday travel conversation. So the program has two main rules. Do one lesson every day and move on only when you can handle about 80% of the lesson. So here's how a lesson works. You hear native speakers, then the app breaks the dialogue down. It asks you to repeat words and phrases, then build new sentences using what you already learned. This is based on the principle of anticipation, which is basically the app prompting you at the right time so your brain remembers better. It also uses spaced repetition, meaning it brings your words back again and again over time so that they stick long term. Now, the pros. First, it's hands free and convenient, so you can do it while walking or doing chores. And second, it teaches practical travel vocabulary. Third, it can boost speaking confidence because you practice without anyone judging you. And fourth, it supports long term memory with repetition methods. And fifth, it works best when you stay consistent and do it daily. But there are cons too. One, it can feel boring because the format is the same every day. And two, it can make perfectionists anxious because it quizzes you constantly. And three, it doesn't explain grammar rules clearly. Four, vocabulary can feel limited, especially for advanced learners. And it's not very customizable. And five, reading and writing are basically missing. So you might speak better, but still struggle to read signs. So who is it best for? People who are busy, people who want a simple routine, learners who prefer audio or have low vision, and people who need basic speaking skills for a trip in a short time. So thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.